Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, listen, Katrina, I saw your videos. I even subscribed to you guys. Hey, you're doing a good job. I like your videos. You know what I mean? I see how you get the kids them interacting in the video and everything. That kung fu movie, I like that little mini kung fu movie. But it's always best to put a little um you know special effects and all that, FX and all that. Always good to put those in there, you know what I mean? Get yourself a good logo maker, you know what I mean? A background eraser and all that. Things like that, to that nature, you know what I mean? And I currently use Viva Cut, okay? I did use Viva Pro once upon a time, but I'm using Viva Cut, okay? Viva Pro, okay? I use Viva, okay? I use the new one, okay? Now, you probably using Viva too, but the best ones is when you pay for it. You got it for a year or whatever. I don't know if you pay for yours or you get it for free or whatever, but majority of times you get glitches in the one you pay for too as well. But when you send feedback that your feedback is giving you problems or whatever, they tends to fix it. You know what I mean? But I like what you're doing. It looks real good. You know what I mean? But those kids had effects in there for them. You know what I mean? It grabs the people attention when they see it. Special effects and all those good stuff. You know what I mean? And always get your logo maker. So just see like how I put my logo on there. You see my logo? I have a logo maker. I make it. You know what I mean? Short Man Peter. You know what I mean? Entertainment. I do what I do. But as far as the background eraser, it's always good to have a background eraser. You see how that does. You know what I mean? You could take a picture and you could make your own logo, and then you could fit it on your video. You could make it transparent, whatever you want to do. You could play with it, you know what I mean? But I love what you're doing, and keep doing what you're doing. And then the kids them doing their thing, I like that, and they're getting big too, you know what I mean? But keep up the good work. Hey, I'm telling you, you only need a few, like I probably think about 1,000 subscribers, if that much, you know what I mean? And but 10,000 views or whatever. That's what you need, and then you get subscription, you know what I mean? They give you that monetization, you know what I mean? You got that monetization going on. So I got my monetization too, but the money got to fluctuate. In order for you to get paid, you got to reach at least $100 before they could cut you something. You know what I mean? But hey, it's been a long time coming. But I like to see that you're doing a great job. You know what I mean? So keep it up. You know what I mean? Keep it up. Hey kids, y'all getting big. Y'all take care, man. Y'all be good, okay? So hey, I love you guys. See y'all next time, man. Hey, and I'll be watching. Trust me, I'll be watching. Y'all take care. Y'all have a blessed Thanksgiving. And I want y'all to have a very Merry Christmas. Y'all gonna have a Merry Christmas anyway, because y'all got the snow over there. Okay? Must be below 0 right now. Y'all take care, man. Y'all be good. See y'all guys real soon. Okay, Yellow, I'll talk to you later. God bless. Y'all be good.